Ever wondered why some map layers never blur no matter how much you zoom? The secret behind this is vector and raster data, and today, we're unlocking how GeoServer brings both to life on the web. In GIS, how you store and share spatial data affects your results. GeoServer makes this possible by turning your shapefiles and satellite images into web-accessible maps using open standards like WMS and WFS. In this quick demo, we'll upload and compare both vector and raster datasets in GeoServer. Let's start with setup. Download GeoServer, run it, and open it in your browser at localhost GeoServer. If you run into any problems on this step, check out our GeoServer setup guide. Once you're in, create a workspace, give it a name of your choice. This keeps your layers neatly organized. Now we will publish the data. Under Stores, add a new shapefile store for your vector data and publish. As you can see on the screen, the layer has been added. Next, repeat the same steps for your raster dataset. TIFF file using the GeoTIFF option. Once both are published, head to Layer Preview. You'll see your shapefile rendered as smooth geometric points, and your GeoTIFF as a continuous satellite image. Now let's compare the previews. The vector layer is made of geometry. It scales smoothly. The raster layer is pixel-based, hence it blurs when you zoom. By publishing these layers on GeoServer, you're not just visualizing data, you're making it accessible anywhere. So, what's the takeaway? Vector data gives you clean, scalable maps, perfect for roads, cities, and boundaries. Raster data brings realism, like satellite imagery or elevation models. And GeoServer? It's the bridge that serves both to the web in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more interesting videos on geographic information systems.